Hello students, class 8. This is your GK book. Now I am going to explain you chapter 4, Battles and Wars. Battles and Wars. I will explain this chapter. Battles and Wars. There is a common saying that war is never good. पीस इज नेवर बैड। वैसे हमारे साधारण कहावत में कहा जाता है युद्ध कभी भी अच्छा नहीं होता, लेकिन शांति हमेशा ही और शांति कभी भी बुरा नहीं होता। बट इफ यू लुक बैक इनटू द हिस्ट्री ऑफ मैनकाइंड, इसी इंसानियत के अगर पुराण में इतिहास में खोजने जाए, इट विल बी क्लियर दैट देयर हैव बीन वॉर्स सिंस प्री हिस्टोरिक एजेस। पुरातत्व की दिन से ही अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ पे लड़ाइयाँ होती रहती हैं। आवर कंट्री वॉज लैंड ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी, पीस, वेल्थ एंड रिचनेस। हमारे इस कंट्री इंडिया बहुत ही प्रॉस्पेरिटी, धन, संपत्ति और संपदा के भरपूर है। द प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑफ आवर कंट्री एंटीज्ड अदर्स रूलर्स, एज ए रिजल्ट दे फेस्ड मैनी इन्वेशंस। हमारे इस देश की संपत्ति को, इस देश की इम्प्रूवमेंट को, डेवलपमेंट को बहुत बाहरी देशों ने देखा और इसी चीज से जलते हुए उन्होंने इसके ऊपर आक्रमण भी किया, इन्वेशंस भी किए, आक्रमण किए। Here are some clues about some wars and battles took place in the history of India. Read this clue and write the names. In this war, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori in 1191. It is first battle of Tarai. In this war, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi. The war laid the foundation of Mughal rulers in India. The first battle of Panipat. In this war, Akbar defeated Muhammad Shah Abdali and his prime minister Hemu in 1556. Second battle of Panipat. The battle extinguished Maratha Empire 1817 to 1818. It is Maratha War. In this war, Akbar's forces headed by Raja Man Singh defeated Rana Pratap and the brave Rajput king. Battle of Haldi Ghati. Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. In this war, Ghori's victory paved the way of establishment of Muslim rule in India. Second battle of Tarai. After this war, Ashoka embraced Buddhism and preached it during the rest of his life. Battle of Kalinga. This battle took place on November 14, 1804 between the forces of the British East India Company and Maratha Empire, Farrukhabad. This is the Battle of Farrukhabad. This battle was fought between French and British in 1760 on Indian soil. This Battle of Vandi Vash. This battle was This battle of decisive victory of the British East India Company over the Nawab of Bengal and his French allies on 23 June 1757. Battle of Plassey. Okay, students, you have to read this and learn this battle's name also.